Hi and welcome, this is Eleni, and today you will follow my process of creating backgrounds for the third year of the hashtag 3 Girls and 12 Faces. It's an art collaboration and video hop with me at elenisartstuff, Marie at Mixed Creativity by Marie, and Bea at Bea Mixed Media and More. We will each paint 6 different backgrounds that we will send to each other, and then every 4th Friday of every month throughout 2024, we will paint a face on each other's background. You can find all the information about it in the description box. There you can also find the links to Marie's and Bea's videos, and please hop over there to check out the backgrounds they created for next year. Now, if this video is too fast for you, you can easily slow it down with only 3 clicks. Find out how to do that in the description box. Hope you enjoy our creative journey and maybe get inspired in the process. Don't hesitate to leave any questions you may have. And if you appreciate our videos and want to support our channels, there are some easy ways to do that. You can like and comment under them, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.